Hello and welcome to the first in the Retail Insights series that's actually celebrating the 75th anniversary of the Spring Fair, Britain's largest trade fair. Today I'm delighted to be joined by Adriana Lovesy, who's from the Greeting Card Association. The Card Association actually represents that industry throughout Britain. So Adriana, can you tell me what the Greeting Card Association is and quite what it does?
So the Greeting Card Association is the trade body for the greeting card industry. So we support the whole greeting card industry. We give advice, we give support, we run events. So we have such a mix of members. So the members can be publishers themselves, people who create greeting cards, to people who supply greeting cards. So your printers, your envelope people, retailers can be members as well. So it's just we support the whole industry as a whole. Right. And we've been running for over 100 years now.
Yeah, so what is it that's so special about the Spring Fair for you?
What's so special about Spring Fair is, so the GCA, the Greeting Card Association and Spring Fair have been partnering for years to support the greeting cards businesses, large and small, to showcase new designs, new talents. So what's great? Yes, what is great about it is it supports all sizes of greeting card businesses, small and large. It gives them a base to showcase their new designs. It gives them a chance to expand their businesses into wholesale, which some of them maybe have been like a home business, working, running from home, selling online. So it gives them a chance to expand. For bigger publishers, it gives them a chance to expand their reach. Overseas, abroad, so buyers, come from all over the world to Spring Fair.
So how hard is the greeting card business at the moment? Because since everything's gone digital.
Yes, I mean, the great thing about greeting cards...
Is it tough?
I think even with advanced technology, I think greeting cards still remain popular. Everyone still loves to receive a handwritten greeting card. I think 89% of cards are still bought in bricks and mortar buildings. So
do you still get excited when you get an envelope through the post box?
I do. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's the best thing ever. I love displaying my birthday cards, Christmas cards. It's just amazing. I even still have the greeting card my dad gave me when I got into university, and it's one of my favourite cards.
What, in a little memory box?
I do. So, and I keep all my, kids' cards as well.
So what is it that excites you about Spring Fair? What gets the hairs on the back of your neck going?
It's just seeing amazing talent that the UK has to offer. It's just so incredible just to see the talent out there, the diversity out there. In every year, it just gets better and better.
Do you still get a buzz when you actually walk into the fair on the kind of opening day?
I do. I always get the train in, and obviously the train station is so near the building. You sort of walk through, and that walk, I just get excited to see who am I going to see today. What designs am I going to see? It's very exciting. Any
big memories for you of like something that happened at the fair?
Yeah, so a big memory for me was at Spring Fair this year, we partnered with them on our card commitment campaign, which is encouraging people to send and receive cards. So we had a replica red post box, and we encouraged all the exhibitors to send each other greeting cards. So they all posted their cards in this post box, and then the lovely team at Spring Fair handed them out the next morning. So it was actually just a joy to come the next morning and see everyone opening their cards and just getting...
You're kidding?
No, it was a new initiative we did, and it was.
Did you charge for the stamp or not?
No, we didn't. Unfortunately, we didn't.
I'll do that next time.
Yeah. So
what a brilliant idea!
It was really great. It was just to show again how, like you said, excited people get over receiving cards.
Now, did you bring your crystal ball with you?
Oh, unfortunately I didn't.
You didn't. So I'm going to challenge you. Where do you see the greeting card industry and retail going in the next 20 years, 25 years, by the time we get to the 100th Spring Fair? Yeah. What's the greeting card industry going to look like?
I think that the greeting card industry is not going to change that much. I still think that people are going to love sending and receiving cards. There's something special about receiving a handwritten card. I just don't think that can be replaced by technology. I think that's something that will remain, something that I don't think will change.
I mean, one of the big problems I see is there's all this trouble with the post office and what's the future of it going to be? And obviously that's your main delivery artery.
Yes.
Are you going to tie up with some of the big, like UPS or Amazon, or what's going to happen to them in the future?
Yes, well, that's a good question.
Difficult question.
It's a really difficult question. That is such a difficult question to answer. Question is, who knows? It is at the moment, it is up in the air. But there are, obviously the growth of places like Amazon, you can buy cars through Amazon. Even places like Not the High Street, they do deliver you can deliver for you, I guess Moonpig as well. So I guess, yeah, who knows?
Who knows, okay.
Yeah.
Now, can you describe Spring Fair to me in one word?
Magical.
Magical.
Yes.
Right. Thanks a lot.